Well, hello there, it's Beards and Bangers, and today Husley is getting some love and attention. So we're going to replace these standard headlights with some projectors which are sitting up here. Beards and Bangers. So Austin's going to do the work, bumper off job.
Bolt in there.
So yeah, you got a little screw down here. You got all the bolts around the top. Someone else has done a video on removing the bumper of these things, so we won't get into detail on that. But so we don't get much Husley content on the channel because he's sort of 95% there. There's a few vanity items that I want to get done. But he is looking rather nice. So this week, while Austin's doing that, this week, when we went to Rustival last week, this brake got extremely cooked because the brake pad warning light came on. Thought we'd ripped a sensor out coming down a country lane, but it was actually the fact that the inner brake pad had completely disappeared. So new caliper, handbrake's been tightened up, and it's actually, I thought the wheel bearing had gone because this has been really noisy for ages, this corner, but I hadn't really noticed it getting that hot. So that's been sorted out. So a little job that you didn't see. So now the bumper's off, we'll quickly get around to the main action. You've got some little bolts there. You've taken the crash bar off, don't you?
No, just them foam bits out the way.
Okay.
Because they've blocked these corner bolts.
Yeah, so he's taken the little bit of impact foam off, but you've got some little bolts on the side, which if you know how, like Austin, it's easy. So this should just slide out. One connector on the back, and there is
Said headlight.
Said headlight. Now we're not going to sell these or throw these away. So these are going to go on a 75 V6 that belongs to Austin, which we will feature. That's a very interesting car with some very interesting history. So we'll show you that another time once it's up on the road. So this really is a quick job. I think, and I'll be interested to hear your comments, this is going to transform the appearance of this car. So Austin's just pointing something out. This tab, so that kind of secures the headlight.
Bottom of the crash bar.
Yeah, bottom of the crash bar. That was actually broken, so we had a loose headlight on this one. But these are all intact. So when I got these for Jake, and a massive shout out to Jake for selling me these headlights, because they are quite hard to find. Although Austin does have another set that need refurbishment or repair. So just get them refixed in. But already we can see that's just, you've got these clear lenses, which are just completely different to that liney effect on the other ones. Just looking at Husley's little horn. He's got a tiny little horn. Might have to change that at some point, right?
You get twin horns.
Yeah.
Which they sound a lot nicer.
So just reverse of what we did at the beginning, and Bob's your uncle. I guess, but the only thing we'll do is probably get it on the MOT ramp and check the beam. There you go. Another job that you didn't see was this had stopped working. So that's a new screen wash bottle.
New plug on.
Yeah, new plug. So it basically cooked itself. So
Because the old one. Oh, I put it on it.
yeah, we'll show you you've got it somewhere. Yeah.
The hole was too big for the grommet.
Yeah,
And someone had sealed the grommet in.
yeah. So it just wasn't the pump. It was just completely knackered. So I wasn't getting any screen wash, which, when there's salt on the roads, is not a good thing. Particularly in a car that is fairly quick and that does get covered in nasty very easily. Just check these are all nice, and then, as I say, we'll get in the MOT bay and just make sure the aim is correct, so we're not going to blind people or... Here we go. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah. That's nice. Yeah. There we are. Right, we'll get the bumper back on and we'll show you what he looks like in the daylight, hopefully.
Now, see, I obviously do stuff. The videos, I bought a thing called from Lakeland camera like those, the microphones. The ones that I've got do internal recording as well.
Oh.
So if you're interested, next time I'll show you.
Show me, yeah, no, I'm interested.
And they're about the similar size, but they're probably a little bit thinner.
Yeah.
But yeah, so you're recording, aren't you?
It's all right. My videos are real, so I don't edit stuff out like that. So bumper just reverse, just sort of smack that in and it clips into the underside of the wing. It's pretty straightforward. It's just easier if you've got a lift like they obviously have here. So I have done this on the side of the road, but it's not quite as much fun. There we are. Right, we'll get him outside and we'll show you what they look like now they've been fitted, because I think they look rather nice.
Yeah.
Don't often look under Husley, but here's his. I don't know if I've shown you this, but this is the new front wiper I put on it, which has got a 70mm all the way through, and that's really improved the breathing a lot. Yeah, really nice brake lines. Austin redid those brake lines for me last year. Absolutely cracking job. Really, really neat. Just need to get in with a wire brush at some point and get some wax oil or hammerite on these components just to really protect it, because this car is come too fast. We've got to look after it. Right.
Yeah, my brake
Really good, aren't they? There he is. So I think the MOT bay is clear, so we can just quickly adjust the aim and he's good to go. So let's get him in the MOT bay. There's the old Austin. We're trying to make a video on that this morning as well, but old Austin is not behaving himself. Young Austin is though, which is good. And of course, it's Saturday morning, so we eat things like this, which is nice. Right, let's get him in, check his aim. Look at those lights, they are beautiful. Absolutely lovely. So headlight aim, you've got the adjusters there. See the little bluey turquoisey wheel? Austin's got his special gadget. So you've got a laser line. And this will help him adjust the aim. Bang on already. There we are. That saves a bit of aggro. So we'll get him outside and have a proper look at him. Right, there we are. So there's Gusley with his Xenons, also projectors, and there's Husley with his projectors. So it just really transforms the car. I'm not going to pan right, so you can probably just about see A4, this car over here, which will feature in another video. But what a cracking thing. Well done, Austin.
Right.
Very good, very good. So thank you for watching this little mini episode on Husley. You don't get much content on him because he's had so much done to him, but thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share, all that kind of stuff. It's greatly appreciated. And I'll see you again very soon on the next episode of Beards and Bangers. Goodbye.